Hello and welcome back to the Crypto Experts. Wondering what digital currency to invest in that can ultimately change your life? Well, you just click on the right video. Today, you'll learn about Stellar Lumens and why it's one of the best cryptocurrencies in which you can put your money today. Keep watching to find out why Stellar may just be the project you need to see a difference. So why is XLM such a dope project? Well, with XLM, you can create cool stuff and add business rules to keep things up. Like banks can create their tokens and ensure they follow all the rules and regulations in their area. Plus, XLM is about bringing real-life assets and currencies into the mix, and it'll be huge. Trust shares are a perfect example of this. They're putting value on someone's time and expertise. Talk about revolutionary, right? Okay, here's the deal with Stellar. This deck helps you transfer all sorts of currencies, like atomic swaps on steroids. And get this, their system is open, so you can transfer assets wherever you want without any red tape holding you back. This means it's a new kind of payment system that's ISO 222 compliant and true to the spirit of crypto. It's like cash for the internet, connecting everyone without any middleman getting in the way. With Stellar, you can transfer assets seamlessly across borders. For instance, you can be in Cancun and instantly transfer your Mexican peso to John Hancock in a Thai village, and he will receive it in Thai baht. This is achieved through a single transfer that automatically performs the necessary currency swaps. As a result, there are no massive slippage fees that you typically encounter with other decentralized exchanges. Let me break it down some more. XLM is the bomb because it locks in the exchange rate right when you transfer. Seriously, this is huge. It makes everything run smoothly, like butter on a hot skillet. Plus, XLM makes foreign exchange a breeze, which is great news for folks sending money back home to their families. We're talking about an industry worth $500 billion. And let's not forget about XLM's anchors. They're like the glue that holds everything together and ensures everything goes off without a hitch. Stellar's roadmap for the next few years is packed with big plans, including their new smart contract platform, Soroban. This is about making things easy for developers and building a crazy active network. And that network is no joke. It'll be the foundation of a whole ecosystem of users who'll reap the benefits. Stellar knows the developers are the key to making this whole thing work, and they're laser focused on helping them create a complete D5 ecosystem. Just picture it, a world where anchors and XLM's payment system are used to tokenize real-life assets. Stellar will be the hub of all that, which is pretty sweet. They're all about ensuring they're ready for the huge surge in demand from institutions and countries. Once the XRP lawsuit is sorted, this will ramp up and blast both projects to new heights. To get ready for all this, Stellar will put its network through the ringer with some serious testing to ensure it can handle all the new traffic. They're also super clear that they don't just want to offer business some basic old blockchain solutions, because some seriously fancy enterprise-level solutions are already out there. Stuff like R3 Corda, Quorum, and Hyperledger Fabric run private networks for businesses, and Stellar isn't here to get in their way. Stellar isn't trying to win some prize by tweaking fancy tech terms like TPS and finality. Their goal is just to be the best blockchain solution there is. They're all about fixing the problems currently bogging down the financial system. Stuff like making it easier to get onboarded and ensuring their network can handle all the most popular assets. They don't just want to be on par with the boring old Web 2 systems. They're aiming way higher than that. They plan to create a DeFi ecosystem that's easy to use and has real-world applications. Basically, they're right at the center of the world's financial systems. And as demand starts pouring in, they're set for major growth. Okay, let's get real for a second. Is everything with Stellar that perfect? When you look at the on-chain metrics, only around 7.3 million peeps hold XLM so far. That's not a huge number, but it's also not too shabby, considering XLM has been kinda held back for a while. But here's what might make you worry a bit. The top 100 wallets control a whopping 99.41% of the XLM supply. That's quite sketchy, right? Another thing to remember is that while a solid 26 developers have been working on the network since last December, the daily social engagement only clocks in around 4.4 million. That's a decent enough number, but it's not exactly off the charts. So, is XLM a good investment? Well, you must look at the future circulating supply and market demand, especially in 2025. It's easy to find out how many XLM is already in circulation by checking out its vesting schedule. By trying to predict its market cap in the future is a whole different ball game. Here's the thing, the Stellar Development Foundation still has 100% of the remaining tokens that need to be unlocked, and nobody knows when and how many will be emitted. This creates a big old question mark that hovers over XLM's future. The worst case scenario is that if all 50 billion tokens are circulated by 2025, we can estimate an $80 billion market cap based on its dominance. But who knows what's going to go down? If everything happens as predicted and all 50 billion XLM tokens circulated by 2025, we could expect the price per token to be around $1.60. That means if you've got 10,000 XLM tokens in 2025, you'd be looking at $16,000. But here's the thing, XLM's performance is tied to XRP's lawsuit outcome. So if XRP wins the lawsuit, fingers crossed, its price will increase, affecting XLM's market dominance. In the last bull market in 2018, XLM had a bigger market dominance than XRP, coming in at around 2.7. And if you're not familiar with the term, market dominance refers to a project's market cap compared to the overall global market cap. Before XRP's lawsuit hit in 2020, XLM's market dominance was around 0.8%. But when XRP's lawsuit drama went down, it affected both XRP's and XLM's performance, causing a drop in market dominance for XLM. And unfortunately, that meant XLM didn't do too hot in the last bull market. But if XRP wins the lawsuit, that could be good news for XLM. In about 2 years, we could look at XLM's market dominance somewhere between 1 to 3%, or maybe even higher. But honestly, that 1 to 3% figure doesn't mean much when considering the global market cap. That figure is expected to balloon to around $10 trillion in 2025, 3 times higher than the all-time high in 2022. If we multiply that $10 trillion global market cap by just 1%, we're looking at a $100 billion market cap for XLM. But if XLM's market dominance reaches 3%, that would make the market cap a whopping $300 billion. If the market dominance is just 1%, you could see an expected token price of $2. But if market dominance reaches 3%, that could jump to $6. And remember, since not all the tokens will be circulated by 2025, the actual price could even be higher. Of course, all these projected price estimates will only happen if the global market cap increases and XRP's lawsuit goes well. But hey, if you want to be part of the $1 million club, some experts suggest having around 10,000 XLM. So if we assume a $100 billion market cap for XLM, the price per token would be $2. And if you got 10,000 XLM tokens today, that would be worth $20,000. That's a 21 times return on investment. However, these numbers won't become a millionaire overnight. If you want to make $1 million at a token price of $2, you'd have to have 500,000 XLMs, which translates to about $46,600. But if the value of XLM goes up 21 times like we're talking about, that $46,600 could turn into $1 million. Since most people cannot afford to invest in 500,000 XLM, it's important to calculate the number of XLM tokens needed based on the best possible outcome. In this case, the estimated number would be 166,600 XLM tokens, which amounts to just under $15,000 at today's price. However, if the market cap increases to $300 billion, the highest level, and the token price increases to $6, a $15,000 investment could turn into $1 million. This would be 67 times return on investment. Well, that's everything you need to know if Stellar XLM should be part of your crypto portfolio. Do you think Stellar is worth investing in? Comment your thoughts below. Until the next video, bye!